Welcome to Crazy Indian Hacker. Dear friends, please subscribe and like my video. Today I am going to be unbox most famous brand stove. Very cheap in India for 4 burner stainless stove with pure brass 4 burners. In Amazon and Flipkart, more than 4 rating out of 5 and lakhs of people bought it and using it. Friends, this is not promotional video, my personal opinion and review because I bought it and I am using it. This review after 1 month I am giving after I used it. You guys know that my pigeon glass type gas stove blasted in 2018 and it's very panic condition. Pigeon blasted gas stove, that video already uploaded in YouTube and link in description. If you have time, please look into that video. Why glass stove you should not use? Because the Pigeon brand glass stove, I bought it that moment around 22,000 rupees. After Pigeon stove blasted, I changed my stove and using 2 burner gas stove, but unable to manage with this because 2 burners. After long search, I got cheap with high quality gas stove. Cheap means in stainless steel, either in shop or any dealers or in Flipkart or Amazon. Only this stove is the very cheap and best stove. It means it's having very high reputation in brand and very cheap product. And recently the Flipkart reduced amount to 80 rupees and also 10% discount on the gas stove. The brand name is Kaitan. The name says it all. The stove is made with stainless steel that increase overall strength of the stove and provide a robust and firm structure for convenient everyday use. The stove is designed with universal pan size support that enables uniform cooking and accommodates all major pan sizes including heavy and large vessels. The high efficiency brass burners allows low gas consumption and helps in heat retention. It is equipped with 3 distinct sizes of brass burners, 2 small and 1 medium and 1 extra big for party cooking. The knobs are ergonomically designed for ease of use. It is equipped with, moreover, they are engineered to avoid leakage of the gas to give you safe and efficient cooking experience. This cooktop stove 15% of the gas compared to this gas stove saves 15% of your gas compared to others, and it has lower percentage of the carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide is less than 0.02%, making it an eco-friendly cooktop because the design and engineers they created. Kaitan cooktops are very easy to maintain and very low on pocket. Friends, this stove runs on LPG mainly. And one more thing I am telling, and last and final, I already told that one. This is not promotional video. This is my view. So because you can see my old videos, if it is product is good, then I will give good rating. If not, I will give it's not good because I am not a promotional guy. Please trust me. And the gas stove having control features like child safety lock and tri-pin brass burner. Product quality is very good, better than any glass gas stove. And steel stove also, when you compare with other brands, it is very cheap and high quality. You can check in Amazon and Flipkart and local stores. Safety first preference. Don't need any fancy glass stoves here, but it's look fine and you can easily to clean. This gas stove is budget friendly with low price, very comfortable and nice, easy to clean. You can look into the stove itself, you can understand. Very easy to clean because no edges. As per Hindu tradition, we will do puja to Agni Deva. It means fire also one of the god and will pray to fire. It means Agni Deva. That's why I am doing puja for my new stove. And please don't comment any about my tradition. We need to be respect each others. Burners are useful for big vessels and the stove is spacious to keep all the 4 vessels at a time. So finally in Flipkart, this product I bought for 3,346 rupees as a final price. You can refer this snap also, because now we got 2 offers which is including 280 rupees spot discount and 10% off by credit card. So if you want, you can buy it. This is not promotional video. And thanks for supporting, friends. Please support me, and the content is important and my mother tongue is not English. So if my butler English you're not able to understand, hopefully you can understand my video what I am telling exactly. So many guys will say that one, my English is not good, I know it, but please support me if something is wrong. Thank you all.